Hello everyone. We are here for the third episode of Song Talks. Today we have Taha with us. So why don't you begin with your introduction?
Hello everyone, my name is Taha Kachwala. I come from Vadodara, Gujarat. I joined IIT Bombay in 2021 as a dual degree student at the Department of Energy Science and Engineering. In my third year, I decided to pursue MBA, so I applied to a program called IEEE, which stands for Interdisciplinary Dual Degree Program, wherein I converted my master's degree to a MBA degree. And hobbies, I like to play sports. I've played handball and football at district level. Apart from that, I like arts and drawing. I do here and drawings here and there.
Taha, why did you decide to pursue your masters in management from IIT Bombay?
Sure. So I was interested in masters in energy science as well. However, MBA appealed to me because of the career opportunities which I would get after doing that, and SOM being very reputed in operations, and my intern in the third year being in operations as well. So I decided that pursuing operations would be a very good choice for me because that would actually align with my career goals as well.
So Taha, you have been here in this campus since the past 4 years. So how has your experience been like in IIT Bombay?
Well, IIT Bombay has a very huge campus, right? First of all, there is a lot of diversity and there is a lot of places that you can visit, right? When I joined IIT Bombay, a lot of my time went into exploring different activities that there are here, right? Like climbing atop Samir Hill or like Powai Lake, right? You come here to sit with friends and have a chat in the evening, or even just a lot of other places like terraces of the departments and exploring a lot more that the campus has to offer. Even in terms of culturals and sports, there is a lot of things that we are able to do, join clubs, do events, and a lot of other things, right? And then I joined SOM.
So coming from a bachelor's background, joining a new class of students, a new classroom with such a diverse background of MBA students, how did you feel like mingling with them? How has your experience been like in that terms?
Well, first of all, joining SOM was an entirely new experience from as compared to my BTech, because BTech everybody was from class 12, but SOM everybody was from very diverse backgrounds. When I got to know everybody, when I talked to everybody, I figured that everybody has very different work experiences, very different experiences in general, and everybody came from very different places across India. I got to learn a lot from them. I actually got to know the entire batch. There was this feeling of unitedness and friendliness within the entire batch, which actually inspired me. And at times, we helped each other a lot, even during case competitions or even during academics or any other thing that happened. Having fun with each other, roaming around campus, being a BTech, being here for 3 years, it was very fun to show around the new batchmates what IIT Bombay has to offer, and going across the campus and enjoying what lush green campus that there is.
Taha, you just completed your first semester at SOM. So how was your experience studying over here?
Well, the experience of academics at SOM was very different, specifically or mainly because the courses were very case study focused, and they were sort of focusing on how to realistically apply what you learned in the real business world. That was very enriching. Apart from that, interacting with people with work experience is very unique because everybody's experiences teach them something new, and getting to learn that directly from them was something very enriching. And apart from that, exams were also very unique because the exams were a lot application based than just being theory based on what was taught in class, and hence it was a very unique experience.
And what is your domain preference?
So I joined mainly for operations. However, I have been exploring opportunities in marketing and also in finance because I am interested in them, and I get ample opportunities at SOM.
And of course, Taha, of IITB students during the exams, burning the midnight oil is pretty common. What options do you have for late night snacking over here in the campus?
Well, so when I'm studying for exams and I'm hungry during midnight, there are a lot of options available up until as early as 4 a.m. in the morning. There are a lot of hostel canteens. Almost every hostel has one canteen which serves really good food from almost dinner time to up till 4 a.m. or even 5 a.m. And they serve a huge variety of foods. And even not just that, if you want to go somewhere early morning, then there are some other restaurants within the campus like Gulmohar restaurant. It opens pretty early and you can have some really good breakfast over there. So there are a lot of options to have foods when you are studying at any time given in your exam, because some shop or the other will be open to cater to your snacking requirements.
So Taha, you mentioned sports earlier. What are the sporting activities and games that are played over here in the campus?
Well, so the IIT Bombay campus has a very wide array of sports that you can play with very good facilities. We have an Olympic size swimming pool. Then there are a lot of other sports for which you have a lot of courts like squash, badminton, a full ground for cricket, football, hockey, and a lot more. Like you can count all the sports that you want to play and you'll be able to play them at IIT Bombay. And it's not that you have to be a pro player, right? There are a lot of general championships where you can participate and show your enthusiasm in a sport for your hostel, or you can just go and play with your friends in the courts. Nobody's stopping you. You can even have coaches train you in for that. There's a lot of opportunities here.
Tell us about the cultural activities over here. We have been hearing about Mood Indigo for so long. So tell us more about that.
Well, sure. So Mood Indigo is one such cultural activity which spans over 4 days, but is planned over an entire year. Apart from that, even if you want to focus on core culturals, there is a lot of opportunities available. For example, there is an entire area called Student Activity Center, which is called SAC in short. It just has a lot of different rooms, one for theater, filmmaking, or dance, or a lot more music. Right, you can explore whatever you want, and you'll get to do it here. Even poetry and other such cultural activities. Then there is inter IIT culturals and inter IIT sports, for which even PG students can participate and represent IIT Bombay at a higher level.
All right, that's great news. So, just in one word, describe your experience over here at SOM this first semester.
My first semester at SOM has been enriching.
All right. Thank you so much.